Welcome to the revision session on Chapter 2, the File System and File Handling Commands. A file system is a method of storing and organizing computer files and data they contain to make it easy to find and access them. It is a special purpose database for the storage, organizing, manipulation, and retrieval of data. Files are divided into three types: ordinary files, directory files, and device files. Large majority of the files found on Unix systems are ordinary files. It contains human readable text, program data, and executable program binaries. Directory file is a binary file used to track and locate other files and directories so that directories containing large number of file names can be searched quickly. Device file is a special file used for device input and output on Unix. There are two flavors for each device: character and block special files. Here we have a diagram of Unix file system. All the files in Unix are related to one another. All the files are organized in a hierarchical structure with its highest level directory called root. Below this root directory, there are a number of subdirectories. This subdirectory in turn have more subdirectories and files. Let's see the commands used in this chapter. pwd command writes full path name of current working directory to the output. There are two path names, absolute path and relative path. Absolute path or full path refers to the complete details needed to locate a file. A relative path refers to a location that is relative to a current working directory. cd command is used to change the current working directory. mkdir command is used to make a new directory, and empty directories can be removed using rmdir command. ls command supports showing a variety of information about files. Concatenate command allows the user to create files, to view the content of the file, and to concatenate files. cp command is for copying files and directories. rm stands for remove, and it removes files. mv command moves and renames files and directories. More command allows the user to scroll up and down through the page and to view the text files, displaying one screen at a time in case the file is large. Line print or LP command is used to print files on Unix system. File command is a standard program of Unix for recognizing the type of data contained in a file. Word count command allows you to count the number of lines, words and characters in a file. Octal dump command is used to output the content of the file in different format, with octal format being the default. Compare command compares the two files byte by byte and thereby helps the user to find out whether two files are identical or not. Common command compares two files and writes three-column output. These columns show lines that are unique to first one, lines that are unique to file 2, and lines that are shared by both files. Difference command is used to display the differences in the files by comparing them. Unix to DOS converts text file from Unix format to DOS format, where DOS to Unix converts DOS file to Unix format. Next two commands are used to compress and decompress the files in Unix. Spell command is an English language spell checker, and iSpell is also a spelling checker that supports most Western language and also suggests corrections. And last is a home variable. When you log in to the system, Unix automatically places you in a directory called home directory. The shell variable home knows the home directory of the user. Thank you.